Okay, solve example 6.2. A progressive wave travels on a stretched string. A particle on this string takes 4 milliseconds to move from its mean position to one of its extreme position. Okay, from mean position to one of its extreme position, the particle takes 4 milliseconds. The distance between two consecutive points on the string which are at their mean position. These consecutive points are at their mean position and the distance is 2 centimeter. See, if I take this as the mean position at the next or the consecutive point is this. So the distance between these 2 points is 2 centimeter, which is 0.02 meter. Find the frequency, that is n, wavelength, that is lambda, and speed of the wave, that is v. What is speed v? Formula v is equal to n lambda, and the formula for frequency is 1 upon t. T is nothing but time period. Time period is the time taken by the wave to complete one oscillation. See, this is crest and this trough completes one oscillation. So 1/4 part, second quarter part, third quarter part, and fourth quarter parts. So 4 quarters complete one oscillation. We have the value of 1 quarter, that is 4 milliseconds. So 4 into 4 millisecond will give us the time period. 4 into 4 millisecond, 4 into 4, milli is nothing but 10 raised to minus 3, that is 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 10 raised to minus 3 second is the time period for one oscillation. Now we'll be finding frequency. What is the formula for frequency? That is 1 upon time period. So 1 upon 16 into 10 raised to minus 3. We'll be finding reciprocal of this digit. For finding the reciprocal, I'll make it as 1.6. So how will I make it as 1.6? We have 10 raised to minus 3. We will take 10 raised to minus 1 and 10 raised to minus 2. We will just break this 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 and 10 raised to minus 2. And here we have 16. So 16 into 10 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1.6, and what remains? 10 raised to minus 2. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 1.6, how we'll see that? We have just 1.6, so reciprocal in that 1.6 ka 0, that is 0.6250. So it is 0.6250. Reciprocal of this digit is obtained. What remains? 10 raised to minus 2. If we take it in the numerator, that becomes 10 raised to positive 2. Means the point will move towards right hand side. We have 2 over here, so the point will move towards right hand side for 2 digits. So it will become 62.5, and the 0 has no value, so it is 62.5. Frequency has unit hertz. So here we have found out the frequency. We have frequency with us. Now we need speed. What is speed? Speed is v is equal to n lambda. We want lambda now. That is wavelength. How will we find the wavelength? What is wavelength? One crest and one trough is wavelength. So we have the value of crest. What about the value of this trough? It will be same. 2 centimeter, that is 0.02 meter. So lambda will be 1 and 2. So 2 into the value 0.02 meter, that is 0.04 meter. This is the wavelength. Speed will be n into lambda. What is n? N is 62.5 and lambda is 0.04. You can multiply this. Let's multiply 62.5 and 0.04. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 6s are 24, 25, 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 6 are 0. So this is 0, 0, 5, 2 and 0. We have point, after point 1 digit, after point 1 and 2, total 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. It is 2.5 meter per second.